So today I feel like baking, and I thought I might as well share it with you. I have some overripe bananas, so I decided I wanted to make cinnamon banana bread muffins. To make the cinnamon banana bread muffins, we're going to need 2/3 cup sugar, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 2/3 cup mashed bananas or 2 small, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 2/3 cup flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and this is optional, but I hear it's really good. I've never tried it before, but I'll be using 1 teaspoon banana extract. If you don't have it, it doesn't really call for it. I'm just adding it. And then for the topping, 3 tablespoons butter melted, 1/4 cup sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 375. So you need a 12 cup muffin pan. So you can either spray the bottoms of the muffin pan with cooking spray or use liners. I am choosing to use liners because when I am taking them out to cool, after I put the topping on, I am going to put them back into the pan and then put my lid on it to keep them fresh. Get a medium bowl, combine the 2/3 cup sugar, the 1/2 cup vegetable oil, the 2 eggs, and whisk that together. Add the 2/3 cup mashed bananas or 2 small bananas, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and the optional 1 teaspoon of banana extract, and whisk that until thoroughly combined. Add in the 1 2/3 cup flour, and I almost forgot one of the most important things, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. They wouldn't have rose if I wouldn't have put that in there. The 1 teaspoon of salt and the 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And they say get a wooden spoon works best, and then just mix that until thoroughly combined. Then fill up your cupcake liners or your muffin cavities, and you want to fill them up to about 3/4 full. And I'll finish that and I'll be right back. So put your cinnamon banana bread muffins in a 375-degree oven. Bake them for 19 to 21 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. So the muffins came out after 19 minutes. They look wonderful. I will do the toothpick test. And it came out clean. So the next step is carefully take them out of the pan and put them on wire racks to cool. So to make our topping, we need a 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and melted butter. We take our sugar and our cinnamon and mix them together. we leave our butter in its own bowl. You take your muffin, dump it in the butter, and then dump it in the sugar and cinnamon. And then I'll just put mine back in my pan. I'll do that again for you. Take the muffin, put it in the butter, and put it in the sugar and cinnamon. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish this, and I will show you when I get them all done. So here is the finished product, and you can eat them warm, or you can wait until they are cool and eat them. Since Dave isn't home yet, I will wait and we'll eat these after supper and he can do a taste test. But for now, I'm just going to put the lid on it. Keep them nice and moist. So here are the cinnamon banana bread muffins. And I'll let my husband do a taste test.
These have dandelions in them?
No, no dandelions.
I like them.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.